नमस्कार आप सभी को। हम सबका इतनी प्रेम से आओ भगत करने के लिए बहुत बहुत प्रणाम करते हैं हम आपको। हमारा नाम है बद्रीनाथ
और हम हैं शायद बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया।
और ये है, बताइए सर आपका नाम।
कन्यादान करने आए हैं। कौन करने वाला है कन्यादान? मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा। Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Varun Dhawan and Alia Bhatt. We're very proud to present our first theatrical trailer of Badrinath Ki Dulhania. As you know, it's the second in the Love franchise for Dharma Productions in the Dulhania series. We promised to make 3. For that, you have to make sure the second one really rocks. The first one really worked for us, and the second one is Badrinath Ki Dulhania, and then there'll be something else Ki Dulhania in the third one. This is like a concept that we had to do Varun and Alia in a Love franchise. Shashank Khaitan helms all 3 films, and this is Varun and Alia's 3rd film together. They started their careers as Student of the Year, went on to prove their mettle in various other films before they landed up in the Love franchise of Dulhania with Humpty Sharma, and now we have Badrinath coming up. But we're going to talk lots more.
It was, to be very honest, it was really difficult, but I think I have this man on my right, Shashank Khaitan, who in Humpty changed me fully, and in this film, he changed me. He always said this, that when you enter the office to meet me, Varun, just forget who you are, what your previous hits are. You have to just reinvent. And honestly, I'm a little nervous today because I'm actually feeling like this is like my first film or something. Because Badri is such a special character to me. He's so close to my heart. I just hope he gets the love that we've put in to making him. So what do you feel? That आप बनाओगी किसी की life या बिगाड़ोगी? Is basically what she's asking.
नहीं, I don't think मैं बिगाड़ने का मन रखती हूँ. Hopefully बन ही जाएगी और रंग भी जाएगी.
मेरे हिसाब से आलिया बहुत ही अच्छी बहू बनेगी.
मतलब बीवी नहीं बनूंगी अच्छी.
वो पता है.
बहू?
Bahu Rani. I feel you will be a good Bahu Rani.
But bahu to who? To the sasuma.
To the Sasuma.
So what about the husband?
That I can't say. I don't know.
ये थोड़ी ना होता है.
We've not done a film where we've got married actually. So we've always been before marriage.
तो पता नहीं है. तो how do you know I'll be a good bahu?
Because you're good with mothers.
What do you mean? What does a good bahu mean? I need to know.
नहीं बताओ हमको.
Only a Punjabi boy can say things
usually
like
the
this.
Sasuma likes her, the father likes her, and I think
how do you know my sasuma
you
will
will
like
manage
me?
the whole family. I feel.
Thank you. Just
Manage?
calm down. We'll get
Yeah.
into the next question. Thank you.
हाय करण वरुण
Pleasing
आलिया।
going off it.
मेरा सवाल आप तीनों से है कि यही ऑडी था, ऑडी 2 जिससे स्टूडेंट की शुरुआत हुई, देन बद्रीनाथ का भी यहीं पे पहला लॉन्च था और आज ये दिन है। किस तरीके से आप तीनों देखते हैं इस जर्नी को? लाइक करण, आप दोनों स्टूडेंट्स के बारे में बता दें और वरुण और आलिया अगर अपनी तरफ।
ये हम एक्चुअली कहीं और करने वाले थे ये ट्रेलर लॉन्च। जस्ट टू टेल यू कि वरुण ने हमें याद दिलाया कि दैट दिस इज हिज लकी। हैव यू अदर फिल्म्स हैव आल्सो बीन लॉन्च्ड हियर?
All films.
All your films. So we were actually going to be at Cinepolis. Not, no offense to everyone at PVR, we love PVR. It's because there was a wider stage, I think, and they wanted to do this dance performance. But then Varun said that, you know, this is his lucky auditorium. So,
हाँ,
yes.
no, you complete, then I'll say.
You sound so excited. I suggest you go first. Yeah.
No, I said that Varun said that this is his lucky auditorium, and then I said that whenever I've gone from Komal Nahta's show for my cast and crew, my film has always done well. So Komal sir, you're very lucky for me.
We have to come to your show or
Right before the cast and crew.
Just
If you-
right
Right before the cast and
That
crew.
means you're... Huh?
Now he has 2
You
shows.
have 2 shows. Acha, okay. So, yes, as you know, we're completely cool contemporary kids who are not superstitious at all. So that's why we're in Audi 2. What do I say? I'm very excited. This is Varun's 3rd film with us and Alia's 6th, I think. I'm just like, I've said it time and again. I feel immense pride and joy. Every time they're on screen, I feel like I'm watching my own.
I mean, I again बहुत ही जैसे कि वरुण ने कहा कि एक्चुअली व्हेन वी बोथ आर नर्वस लाइक इट्स आवर फर्स्ट फिल्म, सो आई थिंक कभी कभी हम भूल जाते हैं कि जर्नी भी है, और आई थिंक ऐसे ही रहना चाहिए बिकॉज द एक्साइटमेंट, द न्यूनेस, द बटरफ्लाइज इन द स्टमक, हर फिल्म के साथ यही होता है. एंड आई डोंट नो, वरुण से समथिंग लास्ट पिछले टाइम भी आई थिंक वरुण वाज टॉकिंग द मोस्ट, सो आई थिंक
No, I'll say something. This journey has been a journey of ups and downs, and I mean that in the best possible way because my character does go through a lot of changes as the film progresses. I had a lot of alcohol. I consumed a lot of alcohol during this film. There are some behind.
for the character.
Yeah, so I mean, it's been more emotional than other films of mine, which are more light-hearted and vain. This has a lot of fun, frolic, everything. There's a certain intensity and there's a certain change which the character goes through. So there were times when, I mean, I myself was angry sometimes on set. I was snapping at Alia and Shashank at times on set.
Sometimes?
He's like wanting to burst out of his leather pants as we speak. I can just feel his palpable energy right now. Like he's bursting at this moment. Right now, we're trying to like literally rein him in.
So I'll let you all in on something. So before, last night I called up Karan around 12:30 or 1, was
Your 55th call.
Yeah.
yesterday.
I told him that, what should we do tomorrow? Should I speak in the Badri accent? Should I do that? And Karan was like, I beg you, just behave like a movie star.
No, he wanted to know what I was wearing.
He wanted to know what I was wearing as well.
And he wanted to know what I was
because
wearing.
of him.
I was like, how does that matter to you?
We were all summoned to send one
He's like,
picture.
don't you think you should wear something Indian? I said, I might look like that Air India Maharaj if I land up standing on that. If I wear something Indian. Like, I was like, how can you even... And then he said, no, we are wearing black and red. Why don't you also match with us also? I have a touch of red in your black. And I was like, okay.
Because it's releasing on Holi, it's a festive release, and I'm really excited because
So what
it's my-
should we do?
No, it's my
No, but
first
it's a-
festive release. I'm really excited.
Huh?
We don't, I mean, it's my first festive release. We never get these dates. So, I mean, we finally I've got it after so many years.
You still haven't got Diwali, Eid and Christmas.
Arey, but I'll start from Holi now, then I'll keep going.
Arey, we'll also clash. Come on.
Varun, towards your left over here. You know, you are the only person from the young lot of actors who has not delivered a flop. This is your 7th film, and all your films have been successful. And now you have 2 franchises this year, that is Badrinath Ki Dulhania and Judwa 2. So how confident are you about the 2 films, and how are you looking at this year?
Honestly, I'm never confident. I believe in only one thing, and that's what my father's taught me, and that's hard work. There's no substitute for that. And like I said, I think what works, I think Alia said it very well, because we discussed how we're going to promote this film, what are we going to do, and she said that, Varun, let's just market it from our heart, not from our brain. So everything you're seeing on the stage is all heart. There's no brain, there's no science to it. As an actor, obviously, I'm a very big fan of Chichi Bhaiya. I'm a very big fan of the 3 Khans, of Hrithik, of Akshay, of everyone who's, you know, paved the way for even for me to do cinema today. But I can't remove that. In a way, obviously, they are my inspiration to be an actor. It'll be unfair if I say I saw Arnold Schwarzenegger and I said I want to become an actor of Hindi cinema. That's not true. I went to Gaiety Galaxy, I went to Chandan, and I've seen Sanjay Dutt dancing, and I've screamed. I've seen Salman Bhai's films over there, and I've been overjoyed. So, in a way, all these heroes do inspire me to be a hero on screen. And somewhere in my performance, they do play a part, because they are an inspiration. I think every creative person does get inspired, and you have to just choose the right people you get inspired by. And Govinda is a great person to get inspired by.
वरुण तू बहुत दारू पिए रहा फिल्म में, तो
पिया,
गरियाए
मैडम,
रहा
बहुत।
कि नहीं, गरियाया कि नहीं, कि कोई के ऊपर, दुल्हनिया के ऊपर गरियाए रहा,
नहीं
गरियाया
मतलब
गाली दी?
गाली।
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. वेरी हम्बल बद्री, वेरी स्वीट बद्री. पर आपको अब अगर बिहाइंड द सीन्स हम दिखाएंगे कि एक सीन में उनको बहुत ही क्या शब्द है उसके लिए, he had to be very very drunk, okay, and he had to just be out there, and that was exactly what he was doing. He was like, Mark, Alia, I'm on Mark now, don't worry, we'll do one more for you. It's fine, don't worry, we'll do one more for you. Even then, he was so giving as an actor, so that was actually the most entertaining scene I've shot. Actually, it was supposed to be emotional, but when we were calling cut, everyone behind the camera was just laughing. And he was thinking that he was absolutely sober. He was telling, Shashank, I'm fine, I'm absolutely fine. And he could not even walk.
And what about you donning the Dulhania role? You must be in a very comfortable zone now, right?
Means?
How do you explain it?
Playing a Dulhania?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, this is the second time I'm a Dulhania. Actually, third time, even in 2 states, I was a Dulhania. So yeah, I think Dulhania is going with my my spirit. I think that is me. Alia equals to Dulhania.
But there's lots more to Vedai than you just see in this trailer. We can't obviously reveal everything. We can't reveal the twists, and because in a love story, I mean, eventually it's about the love
What
between
twists?
2 people. So there are certain things which happen in this story that turn around.
What twist?
With your character, something happens.
I'm twisted.
It's quite a twisted Dulhania.
No, I'm not trying to come out anywhere. मुझे जब पूछा जाता है क्वेश्चन तो मैं जवाब देती हूँ. And I don't ever think that even in this film I'm not shy. He is not a shy girl at all. वो मतलब बहुत ही घरेलू है. वो अच्छी बहू बनेगी शायद, जैसे वरुण ने कहा. But she's not shy at all. She's very move-fat. तो कभी कभी मैं बोल देती हूँ, पूछा जाता है, मतलब then you all are complaining के जवाब नहीं देते, जब जवाब दे रहे तब भी कंप्लेन कर रहे.
बोल्ड मतलब क्या है? लड़का बोले तो ठीक है, लड़की बोले तो गलत है.
सही बात.
ठीक है.
This is Badri.
The last question, sir. Yes.
हाय वरुण आलिया आप लोगों का करियर बहुत छोटा रहा है अभी 2012 से आप लोगों ने शुरू किया है जिस तरह के किरदार आप लोग निभा रहे हैं फिल्मों में आप लोग ऐसी कोई विश है कि मैं इस तरह के किरदार आगे जाके निभाऊं आपने बदलापुर की थी आपने हाईवे की है डियर जिंदगी की है उड़ता पंजाब की है तो कहीं एक बैलेंसिंग एक्ट है कि एक मासी फिल्म भी करनी है और ऑफ बीट फिल्में भी करनी है या किस तरह के फ्यूचर के बारे में किस तरह से देखते हैं इसे
सर आई थिंक मुझे बस फिल्में ही करनी है ये जो ऑफ बीट मासी कमर्शियल यू नो रियलिस्टिक फिल्म आर्टी फिल्म ये सब टैगलाइंस मैं जब आई थी दुनिया में मुझे सब पता नहीं था मुझे बस पता था कि मुझे फिल्मों में काम करना है मुझे हिंदी फिल्म हीरोइन बननी है मुझे एक्टर बनना है मुझे सब कुछ बनना है तो मुझे फिल्में दी जाएगी मैं जो मुझे पसंद आएगा मैं वो करूँगी सो आई थिंक दैट्स माई ओनली गोल एंड एम डू फिल्म्स एंड डू सिनेमा ऑल ओवर
There are just two choices, a good film and a bad film. We want to do good films.
On that glorious note, thank you for your words of wisdom, Badri. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, Vijay. Thank you, Shashank. Thank you, Varun and Alia.
Thank you all.
And the trailer's online already, ladies and gentlemen. I hope it gets all the love it deserves. Thank you so much.